This truck has been sitting back here for 15 years, and if we can get it home, I bet we can get it started. The truck is a 1979 Ford F350 that started life as a cab and chassis cattle hauler. I actually bought this truck back in high school, and my dad and I cut the frame off to accommodate a regular sized truck bed. The original 400 cubic inch motor was seized, so we swapped in a 360 with a 3-speed from a parts truck, and then I lost interest in the truck, and it sat until now. So right now you guys are probably wondering, Lou, why aren't you using a trailer? Well, this thing is actually at my neighbor's house. We've got a really steep driveway, and he's got some heavy equipment, so I figured we'd make a good team. So the truck's finally up here. We actually had to clear a whole new parking spot for the truck. I'm starting to wonder if I might have too many projects. No, that's probably not it. So the old owner warned me that this radiator was pooched. It's leaking like crazy. Let's see. Yeah, there's no fluid in there, so he's probably right. But luckily, we've got this brand new aluminum radiator ready to go into the truck. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. That's some sludge in there. Yeah, she's probably due for a flush and fill. Watch me fall in the mud and just pack this thing full of mud. Immediately ruins it. They're nice and light. The downside is that they're also very sharp. Guys, it's nice having this extra space here, but I think we should have gave the ground some more time to firm up. This is a bit of a fight. I'm getting a leg workout. Alright, rad is in, mounted. Doesn't look like coolant. That looks like water. I'm gonna grab a fresh jug. Knowing me, I filled this up with water for some stupid reason. Down in southern states probably haven't seen something like this before. You suck up your coolant and it tells you what freezing point it's at. So I have a sneaking suspicion my stupid ass refilled this jug with water. So we're gonna find out. Oh yeah. Somehow this is worse than water. It's gonna freeze at +10. Oh yeah, that's a good color. I'll stick this on this side. It's tight enough. Alright, luckily these things have mechanical fuel pumps, so as long as that's working, you should suck up a little bit of gas here. You got the cutest jerry can known to man. Bump this thing off, make her into a sports car. Got the old Trailer Park Boys cup here. Put a little splash of gas down there. That's pretty good. Okay, start this thing up. You know what? Most of you guys aren't subscribed yet. Let me show you a good reason why you should. This might look like a pile of scrap, but under here we've got a divorce transfer case and a pair of 4x4 axles ready to go in the truck. So if you guys want to see the build, make sure to subscribe and stick around. Alright, give her another quick splash of gas. Can't believe she barked life that quick. Alright, a little bit of a gas leak, minor issue. That looks like it's pooched. Huh. That looks like the one right there, doesn't it? Right about here. Trucks that have workbenches on them. Okay guys, that was a pretty easy startup. If the only issue we have is a leaky fuel line, I'm going to call that a win. Let's, I won't even put any fuel in the car, but let's see if it'll start again. That went way easier than I expected. I thought this was going to be a lot more work to get this truck started, but it started up like first try. I'd like to do some plugs and wires on it. I can't tell if it's running poorly or if it's just really loud right now. And I'd also like to put a thermostat in it just to make sure it's getting the benefits of the new rad. But if you're new to the channel, we've got a lot of parts coming on the way for our other build, so you should check those out now. And if not, thanks for watching, guys.